Mix the ground beef with the spices and 1 grated and drained onion. Knead well, then let it marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour. In the meantime, cut the carrots and potatoes into thick julienne strips. Shape the marinated ground beef into small balls, then fry them in a pan with a little oil until browned, and remove them from the pan. Sauté the carrots in the same pan, followed by the potatoes. Add the spices and sauté briefly. Add the meatballs back to the pan and sauté together. Cook the rice with some salt and water until it is half cooked, then drain. Layer the rice with the meatball mixture, dried dill, some rice seasoning, and brewed saffron in a pot. Cover and cook on low heat for 30 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and fluffy. Serve and enjoy.